Hey friends, if the right click context menu keeps on popping up on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now it's not very difficult. Search for mouse settings in the Windows search bar and open mouse settings. Now scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. In the buttons tab, make sure that turn on click lock is unchecked and then click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. Now, the second one is that if a key is pressed on the external keyboard, you might not even know about it. If it's connected using Bluetooth, you must have placed it somewhere nearby and there would be some object placed on the right click context menu key because of which it's popping up. So check this first. And lastly, the issue could be with the software, which may be causing the problem. So to isolate this case, perform a clean boot on your computer. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.